Stay on top of your client networks with these 5 routine maintenance tasks. As an MSP, you know how frustrated clients get when the network goes down and they can't work. The good news is, there are 5 routine network maintenance tasks you can perform to keep ahead of potential issues. First, make sure you're keeping an eye on network firmware. Network devices are basically computers, which means they suffer from bugs, security threats, and feature rot when they're not updated. 2. Watch for network bottlenecks at every layer. With the shift to the cloud, there's more demand on bandwidth than ever. Here's a tip. Commit to an acceptable peak utilization across all network devices and ensure you get alerted when that threshold is crossed. Number 3. Review the devices on your client networks with a fine-toothed comb. Know what their normal is. If something looks suspicious, bring it up in your next discussion with the client. Consider hardening the network to only allow the devices you and your customer's CIO expect to be on the network. No one wants clients to mess with the IT infrastructure, like bringing in a consumer-grade access point to connect multiple devices to the corporate Wi-Fi. Lastly, consider holding a quarterly credential review to make sure access to customer devices isn't in the wrong hands. People leave companies all the time, and it's critical that devices are locked down as much as possible to prevent unauthorized users. Visit our blog post on routine network maintenance tasks. See the link below for more on how these 5 tasks can help you manage client networks more proactively.